In the last 3.85 billion years, the weave of megamolecules called life has accomplished an astonishing achievement. It has turned a hostile ball of stone green. It has transformed a planet of climate change and catastrophe into a garden. Now, life is poised to do it again, this time with the savage balls of stone above our heads, the planets and the moons. To make this possible, we propose an energy infrastructure for the solar system. Our starting point? Seeding low Earth orbit, the moon, and Mars with the first building blocks of the solar system's energy infrastructure, the KISS smart tiles. A smart tile is a thin, stiff panel the size of a linoleum tile with many uses. The smart tiles will feel out the possibilities for space exploration. Smart tiles have 5 layers. The first layer has antennas for communicating with other smart tiles and turning ambient radio waves into electricity. The second layer harvests solar energy and turns it into electricity. Layer 3 is a battery for energy storage. The fourth layer is the brain of the tile, including a computer complete with memory, central processing units, the radio transmitters. The fifth layer is able to turn heat differentials into an electrical current. The tiles will be placed in low Earth orbit, where the smart tiles will supply communications, cloud computing, positioning information, and power to an in-space power beaming system. In addition, massive arrays of smart tiles in orbit provide power to Earth. The smart tiles will also be placed on the moon's poles near sources of lunar ice. Here, smart tile arrays will provide power to hydrolysis units that will turn lunar ice into hydrogen and oxygen, making rocket fuel. Not to mention breathable air and drinking water for the inhabitants of lunar bases. The rocket fuel will be used for transportation. A 2015 study for NASA by NextGen Space, LLC, asserts that generating fuel on the moon for Mars transport can save the United States over $10 billion a year. Then, smart tiles can form a communications and energy gathering array in the Mars orbit. This array can relay signals from the Martian surface back to Earth. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars? KISS smart tiles will not only feel out Mars possibilities, they will help pre-position the resources that the first humans will need to survive, and if they choose, to return to their home planet. Smart tiles will be then dropped on the surface of Mars. The smart tiles will be used for energy storage, gathering information, making breathable air, and rocket fuel. Smart tiles will not only feel out Mars's possibilities, they will help pre-position the resources that the first humans will need to survive and thrive. Smart tiles are an economic and practical way to bring space to life by bringing life to space.